So this is a great idea if you have a lot of alphabet stickers, and using stickers in this way makes completing your titles so much easier. Hey kittens, welcome or welcome back. So if you've been watching my 6-string binder videos for a while, you'll know that I love to use stickers to add a cute personal touch to my journal spreads. So today I'm going to share 5 ideas on how to use stickers to style your 6-string binder, and you definitely don't want to miss the 5th idea, so be sure to keep watching and let's get started. So one of the easiest ways is to use stickers for your title or quote pages. So this is a great idea if you have a lot of alphabet stickers or even stickers that have quotes on them. So here's an example from my A7 binder where I've used alphabet stickers for my titles, and then here's a few times I've used quote stickers from Peachy Diary in my 6-string binders. Also, a pro tip for you guys is that you can use the same method when creating either a cover page or decorating the front covers of your 6-string binders. And using stickers in this way makes completing your titles so much easier, especially if you're not a fan of your own handwriting. Like, I'm not always the biggest fan of my own, but yes, so trying this idea out is great when it comes to styling your 6-string binder. So using stickers to join items together is also a great way to style your 6-string binder. So my favorite kind of stickers to use for this idea is either the washi tape style stickers, or stickers that are a bit larger or that have a unique shape to them are also great ideas to try. So here's an example from my A7 binder where I used my Valentine's Day stickers from my EXO Rainbow Co shop to add a picture to my journal spread. Also, decorating your journal spread with stickers is a common yet super fun way to style your 6-string binder. So here's an example in my A6 6-string binder where I used different stickers to add more color and character to my journal spread on self-love. Also, here's a spread I did for some cookie stickers that I created and sell on my shop. So these are just a couple examples of how these stickers can turn your journal spread from plain and boring to very happy and cute, y'all. So another idea is to use stickers to style any pics that you have in your journal spreads. So here's an example of my favorite singer, Dawn Richard, in my A5 6-string binder where I used different stickers to frame and deco the pictures of her that I added into my A5 binder. And last but definitely not least is the idea that you can use stickers to divide sections in your 6-string binder. So say you're using your A5 6-string binder and you want to break it up into different parts. You can actually take different stickers, such as different color heart stickers or a line of stickers that are all together. So maybe like a holographic star sticker that I'm showing you guys, and you can actually use that on your pages to divide up different sections if you want to talk about different topics or different themes, or if you want to journal for each day and you don't want to necessarily just have it be just a stream of text. And if you have any other ways that you like to use stickers in your 6-string binder, feel free to share those in the comments below. Also, feel free to explore other ways either that I've mentioned or that you've learned and try them out for yourself in your 6-string binder. If you guys want any more 6-string binder videos, be sure to check out my 6-string binder playlist. Also, please subscribe if you haven't yet to be a part of the Kitten family, and also hit the bell so you can be notified on when I post new videos. I love you all so much and thank you for watching, kittens. Adios. These birds is chirping, y'all. They's chirpity chirp chirp chirping. Okay, is that right? I don't even know.